Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find Microsoft Teams meeting recordings. If you've ever needed to review what was discussed in a meeting or share the recording with someone who couldn't attend, knowing where to locate these files is incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where the meeting took place, as recordings are tied to specific workspaces and permissions. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a vertical navigation menu with several options. Click on Chat to access your messaging hub. This is where all your conversations, including meeting-related chats, are stored. After clicking on Chat, you'll notice another section appears. Click on Chats to view all your active and past conversations. This area organizes all your one-on-one and group chats chronologically, making it easier to locate specific discussions. Now comes the important part. Scroll through your chats and find the meeting that has a recorded session. You'll recognize it because meeting chats typically display the meeting title and date. If you're having trouble locating it, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific meeting by typing in keywords or the meeting name. Once you've found the correct chat, look for a section labeled Content. This tab is specifically designed to house all the media and files shared during or related to that meeting. Click on it to access everything associated with the conversation. In the Content section, you'll see the transcript and recorded videos from that meeting displayed. Microsoft Teams automatically organizes these files for easy access, so you don't have to dig through multiple folders or locations. The recordings are usually labeled with the meeting date and time. Finally, you can click on any recording to preview it directly within Teams. This allows you to watch the meeting, review key moments, or verify information without having to download the file. The playback controls work just like any standard video player, giving you the ability to pause, rewind, or skip ahead as needed. And that's it. You've successfully located your Microsoft Teams meeting recordings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.